Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, the new rotating spider boss is implemented in-game. Check out Unsighted by Tiani Pixel at the link below. Markomatic created an AR keepsake item for visitors far and wide for MIGW 19. Naval Battle Prototype version 2. Lots of new sprites, less chaotic, better fog by Veronica. Wishlist below. Danny added some NPC logic to his 3D platform that is a cross between Paper Mario and Toad Treasure Tracker. It's Dom is ready to cook now, available now on the link below. Level 80 features Patrick, who shared the technology behind the 2.5D look of Songs of Conquest. The link is below.
And it's far, inhuman and beasts of the land. It flows through the forests, it breathes the sand.
Lightning and thunder and crackling waves, a land torn asunder by night and by day. The Empress returnal with death and decay, to march upon cities with frost and with fade. They gather the wielders and build mighty walls, resisting, revolting, their harvest will fall.
So wield all the power of those you command, and draw out their essence to hold in your hand. Unleashed on them all, so in these final hours, we'll raise and rebuild to take back what was ours.
After 2 years, here it is, the first trailer for Sentenced. Take on the role of an executioner in this VR exploration of guilt, duty, and justice by Samuel Gordon.
Welcome, Executioner. I see you've arrived safe and sound. As expected, law and order thrive here, as you'll soon witness firsthand. Although the name Executioner is hated by many, and perceived as an inhuman, bloody, and tyrannical office, in truth, one does not sin if they act on orders, out of justice as God's servant. On the scaffold, our foremost concern is to deliver a good death for our poor sinner. We are not butchers. Public execution is a divine theater of justice and redemption. After the poor sinner has spoken their last, I shall give the signal, and you will strike the neck from behind, chopping off the head with a single graceful blow. Know that by taking this position, you must carry out every command I give you, without question. Absolute obedience is required. We are but humble servants of the law. Yours is the sentence to execute.
Cash Cool Games debuts Shiba: A New Dawn at Gamescom 2019. Click on the link below for more information. Hako has many friends in her world. Meet them and discover their different personalities in Toko Toko. Bradley Shepard spent the past week working on many crucial but less exciting updates for a D&D map editor. After many months and countless hours of work, This Dead Winter is on Kickstarter. Check it out on the link below. Andre created this for a new Mix and Jam episode. Happy to work on this, being a huge fan of Monument Valley. New Ground Fog by James. New staff pick by Sketchfab, A Case of Space. Check it out on the link below. A montage of moments from Discolored by Jason. The link to wishlist is below. Unconventional Warfare is testing tank mobility. Additional edge detection effect video, but on a higher difficulty, by SpokeDev. Mech Pilot shares some spooky Halloween AR using the AR 3D body tracking kit. Finally, Makan Galani is looking for talented people to join the team. Hit them up today. This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.